can't just ignore us and pretend that we're not here. You have to open the door. You're parked crazy at the police department. And we can't hear anything. We got to figure out what's going on. We can't hear you. Got some good insulation in this vehicle. If you don't cooperate, we're going to have to break the window. So, do you want to escalate it, or, you know?
Let's get her. You want me to chase her?
A woman, asleep, in a running car, parked outside a police station, with open wine bottles on the seat. What happened next took over a year to resolve, and not in the way anyone expected.
While leaving police headquarters, an officer notices a suspicious vehicle illegally parked outside the police department and decides to investigate.
Possible signal on. She's not opening the door. There's wine bottles open.
Oh, well, I mean, we have a violation there by itself.
Yeah. Just illegally parked in front of the PD.
Ma'am, what's going on? I can't hear you.
Well,
Ma'am, just open the door for us. Right now we gotta talk to you, okay? Other button.
okay, well, she can't just park here. Right? I mean,
Oh, you're right. It is a violation.
and she has to identify herself.
Yeah.
If she doesn't want to identify herself, right, then she's resisting.
Rental car, yeah.
Can you open the door?
Please? We can't hear anything you're saying. You gotta open the door to talk to us.
Should I put spike strips under there in case she tries to flee?
Yeah.
In the front of the car?
Ah, that's true.
And it's, I think it's a rear-wheel drive car.
I can stack mine. Double.
Double. No.
This on
Can you open?
Victor 61, units of BP 1074.
10-4, 10-6. You open the door?
1026, show me out with
Yeah, you have to open the door at this point. You can't just ignore us and pretend that we're not here. You have to open the door. You're parked crazy at the police department. And we can't hear anything. We got to figure out what's going on. We can't hear you. Got some good insulation in this vehicle. If you don't cooperate, we're going to have to break the window. So, do you want to escalate it, or, you know?
Let's get her.
You want me to chase her?
6 legal issues arise from this footage: identification, preemptive seizure, compelled exit, implied consent, arrest authority, and competency to stand trial. Issue 1, identification. One officer said, she doesn't want to identify herself. All right then, she's resisting. Issue 2, stop sticks deployed before any flight. Issue 3, ordered exit from vehicle.
Harbor Drive, now heading southbound on Harbor Drive. Speeds are 15 miles an hour. Subject appears to be coming to a complete stop right outside City Hall.
Get out of the car!
Out of the car!
Get out!
Out of the car! Out of the car!
I am not, you're not, get out
Get
of the
out.
car! You don't have
Get out of the car.
Out of the car. Out of the car.
Out of the car.
Nope.
We're not police.
Got her.
Let go of the bag.
10-4, I need to send you to
Let go of your bag. You're not.
No, you don't have an option anymore. Let go of the bag.
Do you want to conduct field sobriety exercises?
I am not drinking and I am not under the influence of anything. I've never taken drugs in my life.
Would you like to conduct field sobriety exercises?
The real police are on their way.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to ask you one more time, and if you don't answer the question, I'm just going to take it as refusal. Do you wish to perform field sobriety exercises
I will.
to confirm you want to?
Yeah, because I'm not under the influence of anything. And the real police are on the way.
Maybe we should have her checked out by EMS first.
Yeah, for sure.
There's nothing wrong with me. I'm not drinking.
Really?
Really. I had a little bit with dinner like at 5 o'clock in the evening. I am totally... I broke the tires in my car.
Oh, yeah.
I've not been drinking. I'm totally sober, and you are not real police, and you're in big trouble because they're on their way.
Okay. I'm sorry you feel that way.
No, they are.
You're surrounded by police cars. It said Venice Police on them.
Doesn't matter.
And you drove to the police station where we made contact with you.
You're all cartel. None of you are police.
And then
You pulled me out of there where the police asked me to stay.
Okay.
I am sober.
Okay, I understand.
Don't do that.
All right, face that way though. You done?
I've met all of you. You're cartel, and the real police are on the way.
What, for field sobriety test? We were gonna do that after you guys checked her out.
I'm fine. I'm completely lucid. I was there on purpose. And you ruined a rental car, so you're going to be in big trouble.
Yes, the rental car is ruined.
You could have broken a major vein, and then you would definitely be in jail yourself, because I have done nothing wrong. And you're treating me like a criminal, and the real police are on the way.
All right, Julie, once again, you're going back on here. You were under arrest for DUI, okay, as well as fleeing to elude, resisting, as well as a plethora of other civil traffic infractions, okay?
Stop reading on us.
Issue 4. DUI and implied consent. Under Florida's Implied Consent Law, Florida Statute 316.1932, all drivers consent to approved sobriety testing upon lawful arrest. Field sobriety exercises remain voluntary, and refusal cannot be used as evidence of guilt. Issue 5. Arrest authority. Issue 6. Fleeing to elude.
I have no alcohol on me.
Reckless driving.
You can open the container right there in your car.
Yes, I live in the car.
Okay.
Everything that I
You can't have
have.
no
Great.
container in your car.
It's this way.
That was not.
Oh, you want to get the seatbelt, Rachel?
Yeah, I'll grab
No alcohol.
If you keep doing that,
You have to know there's no alcohol on my foot.
okay.
They're almost here, the real police. I can't balance with them.
Okay, go ahead, go.
I got an injured arm.
However you got to get in, go ahead.
You're in so much trouble.
So I've been told.
I'm sober. I'm lucid. I'm almost 70. You get me where the police told me to stay, you're in really big trouble.
All right, we're going to go inside the jail now.
You're in really big trouble.
Okay, we'll find out.
Yeah, you will.
I will. Can't wait.
Case outcome. The case is listed closed, but psychological reports continued to be filed as recently as February 3rd, 2026, indicating ongoing court supervision. Grades. Julie Faith Cornwall, C+. 3 takeaways. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.